Hello everyone and welcome to 5-Star Appliance Repair. We are a small, but dedicated appliance repair company with many years of experience fixing home appliances in Tucson, Arizona. In this video we will discuss what are the signs of a bad refrigerator compressor. The compressor is a vital component of a refrigerator, responsible for circulating refrigerant and maintaining the temperature inside the unit. Here are some common signs that indicate a bad refrigerator compressor. 1. Loud or unusual noises. If you hear loud or unusual noises coming from your refrigerator, it may be a sign of a failing compressor. You may hear a clicking or buzzing sound, or the compressor may make a knocking or rattling noise. 2. Warm refrigerator. If your refrigerator is not cooling properly, it may be a sign that the compressor is not working correctly. This can be caused by a variety of issues, but a failing compressor is a common culprit. 3. Frequent cycling. If your refrigerator is cycling on and off frequently, it may be a sign that the compressor is failing. This can be caused by a faulty start relay or capacitor, or a compressor that is struggling to maintain the desired temperature. 4. Leaking oil. If you notice oil leaking from your refrigerator, it may be a sign of a compressor problem. The oil is a lubricant that helps keep the compressor running smoothly, and a leak can indicate a seal failure or other issue. 5. High energy bills. A failing compressor may cause your refrigerator to consume more energy than usual, leading to higher energy bills. So, if you notice any of these signs, it's important to contact a professional technician to diagnose and repair the issue. A bad compressor can potentially cause further damage to your refrigerator if left unchecked, so it's important to address the issue as soon as possible. Call 5-Star Appliance Repair at 520-314-5555 or book an appointment online at www.5staraz.com.